Hey guys, Eddie here, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is just a test of the Amazon screen protector for your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y. This is actually the second one I've bought, and I'll explain to you why in a second. So the story goes, my 4-year-old son was just playing with his toy cars in the back seat. He got a little bit excited and doing his zooming and his vrooming, lost control of the car, went flying out of his hand, bounced off our driver's seat and launched straight into the screen of the Tesla. At the time it looked like he cracked the screen completely, but we were kind of holding out and hoping that it was just a screen protector. So I went back on Amazon and simply ordered the $25 30-cent screen protector once again. I'll leave the Amazon affiliate link in the description below. If you guys do use my affiliate link, it doesn't cost you a single cent extra to buy, but it does help out the channel a tiny little bit, so much appreciated if you use that link. Just one thing to be mindful of is the screen protector only suits the model years 2021 to 2024, which is the most current Tesla Model Y. However, if you've got the Model 3, it only does the previous gen, being 2018 to 2023. It does not include the 2024 Model 3 Highland trim. The screen protector is called Inosua, if that's how you pronounce it, and the finish that I've got is the matte finish. So it's a 9H anti-glare 0.3mm tempered glass screen protector, and it's currently available for $25.30 on Amazon Prime with next day delivery. I got to admit, it was pretty nerve-wracking taking off the old protector, just because of the unknown. I wasn't sure if the screen was broken, whether it was chipped or cracked, and all the noises, the popping and the cracking that was happening when I was taking the screen off. Ugh, I hope no one has to go through that. It was terrible. But thankfully, as you can see, the screen protector did its job, and for 25 bucks it saved me well and truly over $2.5 grand in potentially replacing the screen. Worthy investment, I reckon. So all that was left to do after this was clean up the screen. I did use my own screen cleaner that I use for my laptop and my PC. I also did use the one that was supplied by the company. However, I reckon use your own screen cleaner. It does such a better job than the supplied one. It's just too small and inadequate. I'm sure it'll be fine for a phone screen protector, but definitely not for a large 15-inch screen like the Tesla has. And that's it, pretty much wraps it up. The new one went on perfectly fine, just like the other one did. No bubbles, no dramas, happy days. Ready for the next Matchbox car to get thrown at the screen. As always, thanks for watching guys. See you at the next one.